Some of the people here are CEOs, owners, directors, and everything, and you can talk one-on-one. And to learn about them, in my case, to learn what the solutions that they have is more important. So I have been doing a lot of business with the people that I met in the past in these events.
I saw somebody in the supplier room advertising packaging of some companies that I really admire. So I scheduled a last-minute meeting. They had a cancellation, and they're actually a solution for problems that I'm trying to solve. So I thought that was really kismet, and I'm excited to start working with them in the future for our packaging needs.
I think the caliber has been really high, so it seems like the wide breadth of vendors I spoke to today, they're all kind of doing a different specialty skill set, so that's been nice, so it's not the same.
The one-on-one meetings, you get introduced to a lot of people within industry and a lot of people who are really passionate about what they're doing. And even if it's not something you're looking for at the time, people are really excited to tell you about what is going on with their company or see if there's a way that they can help you.